Come on, Allie. Chase him, bro!
Number 3, number 3, last year. One target Toronto. Valparaiso charging home. John Reynolds from St. Paul with a great second leg. Greenberg still holding firm at the halfway mark. Westfield for the handoff third.
I had no idea what a push was, but she looked good.
That's Valparaiso who won off inside. Speaking of the Vikings, they're charging down the backstretch. Valparaiso trying to run down Brownsburg with 200 meters to go in the third leg. We saw one Hendricks County team go wire in section number 1. Brownsburg trying to become the second Hendricks County squad. To go wire, we're being served here best ball in section 2. We're going to lead it up in the overall for 255. Second in the line for
Is Brooke up yet? Oh my gosh.
Come on, Katie.
We're going to put down a great time here in section number 2.
I know what was the time?
About the same time.
3:59, 1:8. About the same.